فَإِذَا دَفَنْتُمُ, if you to bury me, فَسُنُّوا or فَشُنُّوا, both narrations correct. فَسُنُّوا, it means one of the two. Either فَسُنُّوا, which is throw the dirt onto my grave in a easy, slow way. Slow, like for example, using the shovel. And another one, فَسُنُّوا, makes the sand as sanam, means what? Hump. Both means the correct. Make it a hump. Okay? Another narration is called فَشُنُّوا. فَشُنُّوا means put the sand on me. Now, are we allowed to use the crakes? Yes. At the time of the Prophet ﷺ, when he died, they used the what? Al-masahi. Al-masahi means the crake. You know the crake, which is the one, the shovel, the spade, that's the one I'm looking at. Spade, the crake is in Arabic. The spade, yeah. Use the spade and you put it. Okay, they use it at the time. Can I use the machines? You know, the little bulldozers. You know, they call them bulldozers? Yeah, little ones. The one goes in. Can I use that? For me, in my heart, I don't like it. In my heart. But I can't say it's haram. Why I don't like it? Because it takes the reward from us to go and bury the person. We people there in our countries enjoy, taking the sand and put it on top of the grave. Because it reminds us of the death and reminds us to go and help one another, to be, instead of just sitting like this, and then this machine comes in, bye-bye. Okay, so it gives us more time to sit around the grave as well, rather than to have this machine, 1-2 buckets, and that's it, finished, gone. And I feel the machines like this, they don't really give the full respect that we should give to the grave. They don't. Okay? So in my heart, something against it, but I can't say it's haram, and I would say the proper way is to, just like using cars these days, to take the person who's dead, instead of taking him what? On the shoulder. The whole idea behind this is to make you linked to Allah Azza wa Jal. So when you hold the deceased you feel the fear. Rather to put him in a car, which is black, you can't see anything, flowers around him. What are you going to see? SubhanAllah, even in our cemetery, the cemetery which is Garden of Peace, you know them? The Garden of Peace 1 and 2, they're going to buy 3 as well. Okay, it's all a bit Muslim, mashallah. But when you go there, you find lots of things contradicting Islam. So, for example, okay, I understand taking the deceased, as he died in Luton, you want to be buried there, he has to be taken by a car, you can't carry him for 50 miles or 40 miles. Even 10 miles you can't carry him. But at least, when you come into the cemetery, and they park this big massive car that takes the dead, that from that spot to the grave is to be carried where? On the shoulder. They don't do that. Even that. They want that car to go just about, just like, these could say trucks, that they're almost going to be making the truck like this, and the deceased goes inside. Allah, get rid of him. Like this. So they don't really carry him on their shoulders. Nothing. It's the last moment. Just carry him from there. It's about, you could say, 100 steps, 200 steps. The sunnah. Allahul Musta'an. But people, they don't do this. In the cemetery there, I have found flowers. And I saw the people who are, it belongs to them. These people who are the ones who are the owners of that cemetery. I saw them there. And they told me these are the ones. So I went to them straight away. And I said to them, Ikhwani, what is this? I took their phone numbers as well. What is this here? And flowers, he said, let me show you. I've got a skip, 2 skips. Every 2 weeks or 1 week, I come with a skip with these people, taking the flowers, and I put in the skip. Skips too, filled with what? Flowers. We keep telling the people, but the Muslims imitate to whom? The disbelievers. They take the flowers and throw them in the skip. A skip, and it's not really a small one, from here to the massive, full of flowers. Allahul Musta'an. He said, we want you, sheikhs and every sheikh, to tell the people, this is not from the sunnah. Well, we lost our voices telling the people, but the people, they don't sit down. They sit down for concert, for music, for songs, and they don't sit down for talks and learn from the deen. Subhanallah. So, here, he said to him, make sure that